Our bed frame is also shorter now. Am I in the... Oh yeah. Hi. Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 3. I have a lot of stuff to do. I completely forgot where I was going with this. I have a lot of things to do today. So I'm gonna make some coffee and I'm gonna get started. Sometimes finding the motivation to get started in the morning can be difficult, but I'm gonna try. I feel like talking to you guys helps. I just always forget that talking to you guys helps. That's silly, isn't it? Not making anything super special for coffee. I'm just going to do some cold brew. So I have my Starbucks cold brew here. This is the vanilla sweet cream one. Is it sweet enough for me? No. So I'm adding some other stuff. Here I have the Chobani coffee. It's a cold brew with oat milk. I'm gonna try this before adding any other creamer or something, because this might be sweet enough now. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Natural Bliss vanilla oat milk coffee creamer. Perfect. No, actually it's a little too sweet now. The cup is from Home Goods. I also have it in black, but they also sell them on Amazon. I think what I'm going to do is make a list of the things that I want to get done today, just so I can map it all out in my head and figure out like which order would be the most efficient, and then I'm gonna get started. So luckily I don't have to go anywhere. I didn't make any plans with anybody, thank goodness, because I do not want to leave the house today. But I have a lot of decorating to do. I haven't decorated anything for Christmas at all. Also, my bedroom is basically like my depression bedroom at this point, so I really have to clean that, and I'll show it to you guys. Keep in mind, this pile was on the chair in my bedroom until the other night when I moved it out because I couldn't look at it anymore. Ziya, why not just clean it up when you can't look at it anymore? I don't know. This area is just full of stuff that I need to clean up. Things that I've bought and I've just like been piling them up. Is not good. And then this area is just a mess, and it's worse than it looks because it's all very dusty. Before I get started on like all the things I keep on telling myself I have to do today, I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in because my hair is greasy. It just looks nice and silky on camera, but believe me, it's greasy. This is empty, useless. So this is the only dry shampoo I have right now. It's the same one as the one that was just empty. I don't know why I bought 2 of these without knowing if it's good or not, because it's not. It actually sucks. And I usually love Eva NYC products, but this just isn't very good. This doesn't work that good to, what's another word for soak up? Because I feel like there's a word that I'm looking for and I can't remember it, but it doesn't soak up any of the oils in my hair. It does a little bit, but not very much. I figure I should just use it up before getting a new one. But I really like the Not Your Mother's Tapioca dry shampoo. I should probably just stick to that because it's the best one I've tried so far for me. Aside from the Dry Bar one, that is so good, but it is like $25 for one freaking can. No, I'm not doing it. Maybe I'm spraying it too close. Maybe that's the problem. Oh, it also has a terrible white cast. Even after I try to like blend it out, it still has the same problem. So I'm using it, but don't buy it. The Batiste ones, I think they're Batiste. I think that's what it's called. Those ones are also really good, but I just feel like it ran out really fast. And what I do is I spray this on and I let it sit while I do my skincare. And that's a good 10 to 15 minutes, which should be enough for it to like dry, but it doesn't dry as much as I feel like it should. I also like dry shampoos that add volume, and this adds no volume. Also, I have a wedding that I'm possibly going to go to. I still don't know if Ernie and I are going to go because it's on the anniversary of Alice's passing. I know we would feel guilty about leaving Henry behind on that day. And then my niece was actually born on, my niece's birthday is on the same day that Jimmy, my husband's great uncle, he passed away on the same day, which was also the same day that Alice was having a biopsy. It's just everything overlaps so much, and it's very frustrating because it's like there's something really happy that I would like to celebrate, but it's also on a day that I don't feel like celebrating, you know what I mean? So frustrating. To say the absolute least. Anyway, I'm gonna wash my face now. Hopefully this soaks up. Soaks! No, I said soaks earlier. I don't know. Alright, time to clean all this up. We are going to take all of this out of here. I keep forgetting to drink water, and I'm like, why is my chin breaking out on all these zits and pimples? Like, what's going on? It's always with me, and I just don't drink it. Look at my giant baby Yoda. I bought him from Costco. I was walking out holding them like this, and I was so happy I was doing this. And the lady at the door, you know, when they check your receipts, she started laughing at me, and she goes, "That is so cute." And I said, "This was the way." And then I ran out of the store. I think it cost me like $20 or something. I really want to get a new duvet cover because the one that I have right now is white and has like leaves on it. I'm just not feeling it anymore. I want black. Ugh. My Queen of Darkness side has really taken over this year because every single thing, I think every single thing that I bought this year has been black or mostly black with a little bit of color. But for the most part, I've just been getting black clothes, black dresses. I've gotten so many black dresses, mostly from Hot Topic. If you guys have seen my hauls, it's been like Hot Topic, more Hot Topic. Do I shop anywhere else? Yes, lately. I got some stuff from Avenue and some stuff from Old Navy. I think I'm gonna do a haul soon because it's here, but my Old Navy sweater that I bought is still on its way. Should be here soon though. Ernie's always like, "Don't do this yourself. I'll help you. I'll help you do the bed." I can do the bed. And like when he's home, I'm trying to like lay down and cuddle and stuff. I can't do that if there's no sheets on the bed. Literally put this Tide spray on everything. Oh, we also upgraded the size. We used to sleep on a full, now we have a queen. I'm surprised it fit in here because I didn't think that we were gonna have enough space, but we do. Oh man, this means I have to shave my legs tonight. Ugh, I wasn't planning on that. Our bed frame is also shorter now. Oh yeah. Hi. Our bed frame is also shorter now. This is the one that we got from the mattress store. We're still looking for a permanent one because I really need the bed to be taller. First of all, because I'm short and I like to feel tall. Second, I need storage under my bed. Right now, there's like 6 inches of space, and that is not enough space to put anything. All done. I've got so much laundry to put away, and that's not even including my depression pile. This is the depression pile. There's more. Here we go. And there's 2 things somewhere in here that I have to return. Oh, I got these pajamas from American Eagle. I'm wearing the matching pants right now. And I actually got 2 other pairs because I got one. It wasn't this one. It was a blue pair that's already in my drawer. Actually, no. Okay, the shorts are in here. And the shorts for this one is in here. Anyway, so got these ones. They have matching bottoms and a matching top. Same thing with the ones I'm wearing. Matching bottoms, matching top, and then shorts are also an option, which I love. I don't think they've ever done that before this year, the shorts. As soon as I saw that, I was like, I'm obsessed. And then during Black Friday, they were all half off, so I got another pair, which I just wish that I had waited to get those until Black Friday, but sometimes they just sell out and then I can't ever get it again. So I got this set. How cute is that? So I wear these all regularly. These are my normal at-home clothes. Usually the shorts will be paired with like an extra large t-shirt. I'm not even exaggerating. I get all my t-shirts in a 3X, so that they like cover my butt and are really loose. This one has quite the story. I ordered it. It's still off center. It's okay. It's much better than the first one. So ordered it off Hot Topic, and they totally messed up that order, but Hot Topic has really good customer service, so I'm not too mad about it. So you can see they're both very different. Like this is obviously an older print and this one is like brand new. But look at the print on here. It's not even straight. It's like off to the side. So I was wearing it and I was like, why is my t-shirt constantly crooked? It wasn't. It was just the print on it. So I contacted them and I was like, yo, it's like really messed up. And I didn't notice it until after I washed it. But I told them, and it took them, you know, a few days, but they ended up sending me a replacement. And then there was another shirt that I got. It was one with alligator Loki on it. It was really cute. And they sent me a Star Wars shirt. And I was like, that's not what I ordered. So they sent me a replacement for the alligator Loki, and I got to keep the Star Wars one. So if you ever have an issue ordering from Hot Topic, just know, contact them. I usually just use the chat thingy on their website, and they are always very helpful. 10 out of 10 for their customer service. This one says, Evil Queen's Poisonous Apple Orchard. I got this t-shirt from the Disney store. It was on clearance, and I was buying plastic keys that I collect, and I just needed something to push it a little higher to get free shipping, so I figured I'd get it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it for myself or give it away. I just don't know anyone else who would wear this aside from me. Hanging stuff goes on the chair. We put these away. Ooh, I want to show this to you guys. Hold on. It's this little black onesie. I love it. It's a little teddy bear onesie, so it's like nice and fuzzy on the outside. And it's short because my legs get hot. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. I could have gone like 2 sizes down though, I think. And it would have been like a little bit more snug and cute. And it has little ears. Ha! I just found the Star Wars shirt that I was telling you guys about that I did not order, but they sent me. And it's obviously a misprint because here it says Star Wars, you know, obviously a Star Wars shirt. And then the tag says Marvel. I finished putting all the clothes away, thank goodness, because that was a lot. It was a lot of stuff. And not the laundry, just the stuff that was on my bed. That's all I put away so far. But I'm hungry, so I'm going to get something to eat. My mom gave me dal last time I went to her house, and where are you? Something I like to do, which I've never seen anybody do before, but I like to put dal, which is Indian lentils, with rice cakes that are usually made for tteokbokki. It works together. It really does. First, I'm going to boil the rice cakes. Now I'm taking a little bit of dal. I'm just gonna plop it in there. Usually I would add water to make it a little bit more liquidy, but I want it to be nice and thick. It's all warm now, so we're gonna add these in. I only boiled them for like 2 minutes, so they're not like totally cooked through yet because I didn't want them to be overcooked. Technically, I guess I could have just put them in hot water, but I decided to boil them instead. I give them a little stab. Oh yeah, they're done. They feel like little pillows. And here it is. It doesn't look super appetizing, but it is so good. I've been on the phone with my mom for like an hour and a half. I don't know, it's been a long time. And most of it was spent trying to help her set up and purchase something off Etsy. And I really regret like not just doing it myself and like buying it myself, and hopefully it'd make it to her. I'm done. Done. Up to here, I feel like I don't have 2 brain cells to rub together. And towards the end of the video, I was like, Mom, I'm done. I'm done. This close. That's how done I am. Done. She took a screenshot. My mind is just fried. I don't mind helping people. I don't mind helping my mom. But my goodness, I'm done. I am so done. And now I still have to cook dinner, so yay. It's time for
Ooh! The Office.
The Office.
Advent calendar.
So,
Yeah.
they look like sticky notes.
No, they're little sticky notes. I love it. You gotta do the first one, babe. Ow! Just pretend it's my face and just punch it.
No. I would never punch you in the face.
No, go ahead.
Okay, who do you think it is?
It's gotta be a Michael. Some kind of Michael. It's gotta
Yeah,
be.
definitely Michael Scott.
Yeah. And it's a
It
Michael
is
Scott. Yes. Here, I'll stand over here.
There we go.
There you go. What house would he be in if he were in Harry Potter?
It'd be Hufflepuff.
He'd be a Hufflepuff.
Yeah.
He has such good intentions, and he has such a big heart.
Yeah.
He cares. He emotes.
He's very loyal.
Very loyal.
Very loyal
Very
person.
loyal. Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. I could see
I
that.
mean, he got so many vasectomies for Jane.
He got it like 4 times.
I know.
He says, they even said there's nothing left to vasectomy. Before vasectomy. This is the one in the beginning. This is before he met Jan. Like that.
Oh,
Before-
Jan. I said Jane, didn't I?
Yeah.
Whatever.
It's
her
okay.
name.
We'll edit that out. This blah, blah, blah,
No,
blah, blah, blah.
I'm leaving it in there.
Okay. We'll leave it in there.
Okay. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Vlogmas Day 3. We'll see. It's Day 3 and we just opened the first one.
Yeah.
It's okay. It'll
It's
be fine.
okay. But we should open 2 now.
No.
We'll
We
just
can
catch
open.
up.
We can open 2 tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll catch up?
We'll catch up.
Or mustard. More mustard. Just a little bit.
Thank you guys so much for spending the day with us, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below.